Are you sure you weren't speeding? I got it all on video. I was going the speed limit. You were the one that was speeding behind me and applying pressure for literally no reason.
This cop AI didn't exist 20 minutes ago, but right now it's promoting top selling dashcam products on TikTok Shop, and it's doing it 24/7. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make these AI influencers and also how to find winning products for your next video. But before you build this cop, I need you to understand what this exactly turns into. So I will leave an image right here, and this is a creator center of one of my private students in just the last 24 hours. And these earnings are coming from commission. Each sale they make, they earn a percentage from that sale that the product sells for. So if it's $20 and the commission maybe is $5, they take $5 out of each sale that product sells for. We use AI influencers to promote these products on TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is the new gold rush, using AI influencers and just promoting products and earning commission. It's that easy. You post a video with your AI influencer promoting the product, you go to sleep, then you wake up and you have money in your account. It's an asset that's generating you money while you sleep or while you're at school or while you're at work. And there's no better day to start but now. This is literally the best recurring passive income system you will ever see, and I'm going to put you guys on for free. A lot of gurus out there will charge you a high ticket for their rinsed and repeat info and their BS scores, and in today's video I'm going to give out the whole blueprint. And if you feel confident with my system, the link below to work with me. Alright, so to make this AI influencer, you will basically need Gemini, Pinterest, VO3, and Claude. Right now I was typing to Claude, I am running a TikTok niche on TikTok Shop about cops pullovers, and my ideal product that I am going to promote is dashcam, and I'm creating an AI influencer using this image that I got from Pinterest. I want a good prompt to transfer this image to a cop that I want to use for cop pullover videos using Gemini. Let me type that, using Gemini. Okay, and then the cop that I found on Pinterest, I searched up an average cop and I'm just cruising and I found this one. This one fits the description that we need to promote the product. Now let's upload that image into Claude and he can generate us a prompt that we can use for Gemini to transfer this AI influencer that we have from Pinterest, and we can have our own asset. Another thing I want to tell you guys is whenever you guys want to start promoting products using AI influencers, pick a niche. Right now I'm giving you guys a whole blueprint for free. Cop niche, dashcam, start argument pullovers, and victim shows dashcam video. Things like that can help you gain a lot of attraction on your videos and a lot of engagement, which can help boost the video to go viral, and you can land a lot of sales and earn a lot of commission. But just pick a niche. You can get into gym niche workouts, right? You can have an AI influencer literally just working out and showing you how to hit the right workouts and the exact products you will need to actually grow muscle within the next 30 days. Make content like that. Be unique, stand out. Even when using these AI influencers, you can still not go viral. You just need a perfect niche. I'm not saying anyone can go viral, but you need a perfect plan, perfect execution, and you just need good quality over quantity. Let's get back to creating this AI influencer. Using the uploaded photo as the exact reference for whatever. I'm not going to read all of that, but he's just giving us changes that we can do for the image so we can own that asset, and we can use that asset to turn it into video using VO3. Then we can get the scripts from Claude himself, since we are training him right now. So let me just copy the whole thing and get straight into Gemini and transfer the image. There's another website that I want to put you guys on with. It's called Ecotic, and I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not earning a single cent by showing you guys this website. Also, this website is actually for free, right? They give you like some perks that you can use for free, but if you really want the maximum priority, then you can, pay for a membership. But I use this for free, and since we're doing the cop influencer, we're gonna have to promote the dashcam product. So I searched up dashcam here, and this is how I'm going to find the winning product. Okay, as you can guys see, this is a banging product right here. This is a actual bottom funnel, since it has about 648 influencers promoting this product, and it made almost $1 million in GMV in the last 7 days. And I feel like if we use this, we can actually get good commission while promoting this product, and we can definitely work something out with it. Gemini have made us the influencer we wanted, so we will take this image, we will give it a Claude, and we will tell Claude, use this AI influencer and create us a scene that we can also use to promote the dashcam product and involve a victim that has the footage recording. Here's a full VO3 ready shot. I'm not gonna read all that stuff that he's doing, but You know, as you can see, he's already given us the perfect scene. Let's just take all this stuff with the AI influencer, with the product that we're promoting, straight to VO3. Okay, so I made so much videos with the scripts that Claude gave me, and I changed some things a little bit because I want the vision in my head to just, you know, appear in VO3. And I'm gonna take all these clips and edit them in CapCut and get the perfect video that I want to, you know, actually convert and have engagement and, you know, actually can be catchy for the audience. So let's take some of these clips and put them in CapCut and make our final product. All right, so this is what I came up with after getting all the clips from VO3, putting them together in CapCut and editing and cutting a little bit and making sure everything is perfect. Also, I added captions and, you know, to make it actually engaging and high quality. Other than that, let's just watch it and see what we got.
Oh, I was going the speed limit. You were the one that was speeding behind me and applying pressure for literally no reason.
This is the dash cam right here. Dash cam footage.
License and registration, please. Good thing that's running. Saves everyone a headache. Okay, I will leave you alone this time just because you have proof. Watch out next time. Oh man, these dash cams be saving lives. Look guys, I'm a trained cop and I thought I had—
So the main point of this video is, you know, it's like a scene and it's an intense scene. It's like a storyline, but the main goal is a dash cam. It's always like, oh, dash cam, I got proof. Oh, dash cam saving lives. You know, it's basically, and the dash cam is a bottom of funnel product and it's like really known, so it's easy to sell. But this is a quick video that took me literally 10 minutes to do to show you guys that this is easy to promote and it's easy to do. So let's watch the full.
Had him for a sec, but his ugly was quick with that dash cam footage. This is a lesson learned. Here is my advice. Anything can happen on the road, so make sure you get one, and you will always have proof to show.
You now have the exact blueprint. You know how to make the AI influencers. You know where to find winning products. Listen, you can take this video and try to figure out the TikTok algorithm for the next 6 months with TikTok Shop and different products and different AI influencers until you get your first couple sales, or you can work with me and my team directly. We will literally build your AI influencer system with you, hand you the winning products, and plug you right into the game ready. So if you're interested, the link will be below. And until then, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Peace.